Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday congratulated Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee as strengths suggested her party and would register a thumping victory in the West Bengal Assembly polls. After the party's poor performance in assembly elections in 5 states, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday said it humbly accepts the people's mandate and it will continue to fight for its values and ideals. Emboldened by the state assembly poll result, former union protesting against the central farm laws on Sunday said that their campaign during the polls against the voters to punish BJP stands vindicated. After leading Trinamool Congress to victory in West Bengal Assembly elections, poll strategist Prashant Kishore on Sunday said that he is set to quit the profession of strategizing for elections. Bombay High Court on Thursday directed a status quo to be maintained over civic law officers who were promoted after they challenged the state decision to withdraw a 2-month-old circular. Trinamool Congress Vice President Yashwant Sinha on Sunday demanded the resignation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah following the outcome of West Bengal Assembly polls. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen on Sunday tamped down concern that President Joe Biden's plan for infrastructure, jobs and families will cause inflation, saying the spending will be phased in over a decade. Delhi received its Oxygen Second Express carrying 120 MT of liquid medical oxygen on Sunday, while Third Oxygen Express has already begun its journey from Angul to Delhi carrying 30.86 MT LMO, Indian Railway said. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday congratulated Bengal Tigress and Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee for single-handedly leading her party to victory in the West Bengal Assembly polls. Earlier this week, Twinkle Khanna had announced that she, along with her husband Akshay Kumar, will donate 100 oxygen concentrators to aid the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.